2025 is the year technology stopped evolving and started rewriting reality. From AI-powered machines to futuristic robots, the breakthroughs we're seeing right now are on a whole new level. And trust me, what you're about to see will blow your mind. So let's not waste any time. We're about to start the points. Lexus Ecosystem. Lexus just shocked the entire auto industry with a mobility ecosystem that looks like it came straight from the future. Revealed at the 2025 Japan Mobility Show, this concept blends land, sea, and air into one seamless luxury experience. The six-wheeled electric LS AI-powered interiors and sustainable materials push premium travel to insane new levels. And Lexus isn't stopping. They're targeting a fully electric lineup by 2035. This isn't just a car vision, it's a whole new lifestyle. Astrolab Flex Rover. The Astrolab Flex Rover is basically a pickup truck designed for the moon, and it's insanely capable. Built for NASA's Artemis missions, it can carry 2 astronauts plus 1,600 kilograms of cargo while navigating extreme lunar terrain. With a 6 degree of freedom robotic arm, adaptive suspension, deformable wheels, and autonomous navigation, this rover can handle slopes, hazards, and scientific tasks like a pro. It's not just a vehicle, it's the future backbone of lunar exploration. Electra Launches. Electra just dropped a game-changer for military aviation, the EL9 Hybrid Electric Ultra S TOL aircraft, and it's built for missions no other plane can handle. This 9-seater can take off in just 150 feet, land almost anywhere, and carry 1,000 pounds over 1,000 nautical miles. It even delivers 600 kilowatts of expeditionary power in the field. Designed for rapid logistics, rescue, ISR, and combat support, this aircraft could replace traditional military transports sooner than anyone expected. FireSwarm. FireSwarm is redefining firefighting in a way no one saw coming. These ultra-heavy-lift drones can carry up to 400 kilograms of water or gear, flying straight into smoke and darkness, where traditional aircraft simply can't go. And the craziest part? They operate at night in low visibility and respond faster than human teams. FireSwarm is working with governments and rescue units to stop wildfires before they explode into disasters. This is next-level emergency tech. The X-Bat. The X-Bat is basically a next-gen fighter jet disguised as a drone, and it's terrifyingly powerful. With a 39-foot wingspan, a supersonic GE jet engine, and a range of over 2,000 nautical miles, this thing can launch from ships or rough terrain with zero runway. Its stealthy design, internal weapons bays, and 4G maneuvers make it a low-cost alternative to an F-35. Powered by HiveMind AI, it can autonomously run full kill chains. This is the future of warfare. Pudu D5 Series. The Pudu D5 Series is what happens when industrial robots go beast mode. Powered by NVIDIA Orin delivering 275 TOPS, these quadruped machines navigate harsh outdoor environments with insane precision. They use 3 DSLAM, dual LiDAR, fisheye cameras in full 360-degree obstacle avoidance to tackle 30-degree slopes, 25-centimeter stairs, and extreme temperatures from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Whether on legs or wheels, the D5 robots are built for inspections, patrols, and logistics in places humans shouldn't go. Flexion Robotics. Flexion Robotics is building something straight out of science fiction. An AI brain that lets humanoid robots understand your voice and turn it into real-world action. No scripts, no teleop. Just pure autonomous intelligence. Their 3-layer system handles reasoning, motion, and ultra-fast whole-body control, making robots clean rooms, sort items, and adapt to new tasks on the fly. After raising $50 million, Flexion is now pushing robots into homes, warehouses, and factories faster than anyone expected. AltoVolo Sigma. The AltoVolo Sigma looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. A hybrid electric aircraft that tilts, hovers, and blasts through the sky at up to 290 miles per hour. This 3-seater machine packs a crazy 1,608 horsepower jet propulsion system while staying 80% quieter than a helicopter. With a 510-mile hybrid range and a 15-minute hover capability, it's built for real urban and inner-city travel. Testing begins soon, and full sales start in 2026. The future of flying is here. HaptX Nexus NX1. The HaptX Nexus NX1 is taking virtual reality to a mind-blowing new level. You don't just see the digital world, you actually feel it. This system uses advanced microfluidic actuators to deliver real sensations like pressure, texture, and movement straight to your hands. Pick something up in VR, and it feels shockingly real. Designed for training, robotics, and immersive simulations, the NX1 pushes VR far beyond visuals, turning virtual interactions into true physical experiences. Interactive Fusion Reactor. NVIDIA and General Atomics just unleashed a breakthrough that could fast-track the future of clean energy. An interactive, AI-powered digital twin of a fusion reactor. This system uses real-time sensor data, advanced physics modeling, and insane GPU power to predict plasma behavior in seconds instead of weeks. Over 700 researchers can now run virtual experiments without risking the actual reactor. This might be the technology that finally pushes fusion energy into reality. Solar-powered aircraft. Solar-powered aircraft are rewriting the rules of aviation with flight times that seem impossible. These planes use ultra-efficient photovoltaic cells, now reaching up to 35% efficiency, to fly for more than 24 hours straight with zero emissions. Powered by sunlight during the day and stored energy at night, they're perfect for surveillance, environmental monitoring, and long-range missions. And with next-gen batteries and thermal systems, solar aviation is quickly becoming one of the most game-changing technologies in clean flight. Interconnector cable pulling. Malta. What's happening in Malta looks like a real-life mega engineering mission. Engineers are pulling a massive high-voltage power cable from a specialized ship, threading it through a microtunnel and linking Malta directly to Sicily's power grid. This 100-kilometer submarine cable boosts Malta's energy security, doubles its import capacity, and opens the door for more renewable power from Europe. It's one of those underground projects you never see, but it changes an entire nation's future. Even Realities G2. The Even Realities G2 smart glasses are on another level. These things look normal, but what they can do is insane. With a bright micro LED display, 98% pass-through clarity, and a rugged magnesium titanium build, they deliver AR without blocking your real-world view. Add AI-powered translation, live notifications, and voice control, and you basically get a mini computer on your face. Plus, the charging case holds 7 full recharges. These aren't glasses. They're the future of wearable tech. EBO Air 2 Plus. The EBO Air 2 Plus is like having a tiny AI-powered guardian constantly watching over your home. Equipped with a 3K Ultra HD camera, night vision, and two-way video calling, it lets you check on family and pets from anywhere. This little robot patrols autonomously, dodges obstacles, climbs small bumps, and even reacts with animated eyes. From smart alerts to real-time monitoring, it turns home security into a cute, high-tech companion you never knew you needed. Greyshark. The Greyshark AUV is basically a stealth submarine robot that can vanish underwater for up to 16 weeks. This 6.5-meter beast dives as deep as 650 meters, extendable to a mind-blowing 4,000 meters, and travels over 1,100 nautical miles on fuel cells. Packed with 17 advanced sensors, synthetic aperture sonar, and AI cameras, it performs reconnaissance, infrastructure inspections, and anti-submarine missions autonomously. With Level 5 autonomy, it identifies threats and adapts instantly. This is underwater warfare reimagined. Shape GX Stage. The V-Shape GX Stage looks like something ripped straight out of a futuristic concert, and it completely transforms live performances. This insane motion platform can lift, tilt, rotate, and shift with pinpoint precision, creating dramatic effects that make any event feel larger than life. Powered by high-strength motors and engineered for smooth, safe movement, it turns ordinary stages into jaw-dropping spectacles. For concerts, shows, and immersive events, this is performance technology on a whole new level. And that wraps up the mind-blowing technologies transforming our world in 2025. If any of these innovations shocked you, just imagine what's coming next. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future is only getting crazier from here.